All right, class. Today we're going to learn about math. So, take out your 20. What is it? 3. May I use the bathroom with permission? Thank you for asking. 3. Thank you for asking permission. You can go right now. When Caillou goes to the... Today, I'm not going to the bathroom. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. And there. Oh no, class. Something's happened. And now 3 is at the... Let's go. Guys. Oh no. 3's disappeared. And he's in there. Don't worry, guys. The fire alarm just pulled off. You see, there's no fire alarm. Please, don't, please. I know someone pulls fire alarm. 3. Oh, it's 3. Could someone just pull the fire alarm? Oh, it's 3. 3! Get over here right now. No. What do you want, 20? I know you pulled the fire alarm. It was you. So, time to call your dad. Dip, 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 dip. Hello? This is for... Yes. Oh, your son 3 just pulled the fire alarm. Can you please ground him? Thank you. Goodbye. No. And now? No. Go away. No. Oh dear, I'm stuck. Oh no. Oh no. Oh crap. Oh, crap. I'm 4. Why do you look so... Hi. No. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school? School when the firefighters are here. When the ones here. That's it. You're grounded for 3858394824583945839 458245839839 839 4758391 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 90 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 8 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 8 83458245839 for years. Now you better stand to your room right now.